since we last kicked it. By the way, just got in time.
Hey guys! So today we're gonna go thrifting for back to school items and we're gonna style them.
Yes.
So
We're at Salvation Army now.
I'm looking for more like sweatshirts. I like sweatshirts.
I kind of want to look for like big t-shirts because I don't really like flip anything, but I can crop them or I could wear them long.
Alright, come along with us.
Oh!
Did you? Wait a second. Carolyn just hit her head on the thing and left a makeup mark.
Oh my god, you can.
Oh my god.
Wow, she said that chunk is gone. I feel like you could style this.
Yeah, it's kind of right.
That is cute. If you wore it with high-waisted jeans or something.
Light wash jeans?
Yeah.
Maybe.
That's actually kind of cute.
Yeah.
With that.
Bro, what?
Fire. This is kind of cute.
What? Where's this stuff coming from? I never find stuff
I want
like
this.
Are
So,
you serious?
yeah. Bro, look at these pants.
I never find stuff I actually like
I don't think I could pull this off. I'm too short.
I wanted to wear my Balenciagas because it matched, but we're thrifting, so I wanted to humble myself.
Shut the fuck up.
That's humbling. Wow. You really just spoke to the people with that one.
Wait, these are pants for you.
That's not funny.
Wait,
Those are
are they?
ugly. Those are actually kind of cool.
I know.
How much
and
are
it's
those?
the same thing. $9.
All right.
Can we stop for a second? We just walked in the store and I found this, these, and these. I feel like this is stuff that people actually, I don't know, order on
where?
Fashion Nova and stuff.
Maybe I could find trousers. Do it.
Far.
Wait. No. The waistband is ugly. Those could have been cute.
See, if I was crafty enough to make them look good, I would. What am I even saying?
I don't know.
Levi's.
How are you gonna wear it? Put it out to you.
Look at these. These are
Oh my god, those are the perfect mom jeans. I was gonna say, when you thrift, sometimes they're washed so much that they're smaller. Because I got a pair of Levi's here that I made into shorts, and they were a size 10 and they fit me a 2.
I found this sweatshirt.
I like that.
Fire. These pants.
If those pants don't fit you, I want to try them on.
I think that would be cute together.
Those?
Yeah,
Together?
This. Or
Yeah.
even the jeans might look better. I feel like in 10 years from now, mom jeans are gonna be low-rise jeans.
Ew.
That's gonna be the new mom jeans.
And I will not be a part of
I
that
won't.
trend.
This one.
Oh wow.
I feel like you were the type of person to buy $100 knee-high Converse in middle school.
She's triggered by the knee-high Converse. Oh wow.
What if, these jeans, with a t-shirt and a button down, a big button down over it?
Oh.
Right?
I see the vision.
Some of my friends are flakes.
I'm zoomed in on you.
What if we tie-dyed it?
No, if you cropped it really short and you had something sticking out under it, a white bralette or something with the light jeans.
Yeah.
That'd be so cute.
We're gonna do that.
We are locked and loaded, boys. The Salvation Army dressing room, and these are just some things that I found. I didn't try them on yet, but I found these 2 skirts from the same brand. this cute little like V-neck top, tank top, champion shirt. I feel like it would be cute if I cropped it or cut it. Same thing with this Tommy jean shirt. Tan little Yeezy moment, oversized. Same thing with a little oversized crew. We have some black little buckle pants and then some mom jeans. So I'm going to try those on and then I'll let you know. Crew neck I think actually matches really well with the Yeezys, and it's super soft. No stains, thank God. That's rare for Goodwill. I mean, Salvation Army. Whoa, not trying to steal anyone's brand. But yeah, I definitely think that this is a cup. Okay, so these jeans, the zipper is actually broken, so we're not going to be getting them. But this is a little champion shirt, and I have it tied right now. But if I cropped it, I think it would be pretty cute. Okay, so far, so good. So far, not good.
Fire.
Hi. On these skirts, still got, oh wait, that's not the tag. Still have the tags on them. Super cute.
Super cute. Mine's a little tight. Kind of zipped my skin, but.
So, we did some damage. I didn't do too much damage. Only $12. That's because she didn't charge her rate for her skirt.
God is done finessing me.
We got the same skirt and she charged me $7.99 and she charged her $4.99. Oh, whatever.
So, little haul quick. First thing I got is kind of boring. It's just a black picture frame. I needed to put my esthetician license in there. So yeah, continue.
First thing, oh, what's on top? I got these mom jeans. They were
So
only
cute.
$3.99 and they fit really good.
Bro, what a scandal. It's $7.99. It's like the same exact skirt, except I got mine in gray. She got hers in red, but she only charged me $4 for it.
I think she only charged you $4 because she was distracted by the other girl. Like, they were talking about some staple or whatever.
Yeah.
See, we got the same one in red. It is also $7.99, but she actually charged me $7.99.
Wait, we both got 5 things. You
Yeah.
didn't include my picture frame. Wow, we did good. This was only $2. It's just like a plain cream crew neck. But when I tried it on with my joggers and my Yeezys, it actually looked really cute. So I'm not gonna crop it or anything. I like the length of it. Ooh, this lighting is really weird.
I got this shirt. It says Willy Wonka. I either am gonna give it to my sister or I'm gonna like tie-dye it and crop it. I don't know yet.
I'm struggling. I always see girls wear this style of,
Yeah.
of like a tank top where it's like loose and then it's like V cut. I thought it was really cute. It's like a velvety material, but I think if I wear that with some like whitewash mom jeans, it would be super cute. So yeah.
Next, I got this sweatshirt. These things are really cute. I got foundation art on it already, so I'm kind of upset about it, but I'll get it out.
Oh well. Lastly for me, I got this little Champion t-shirt. Yeah, it was only $1.99, and I think I'm gonna crop it and then also wear that with some mom jeans.
Last, I got this neon Nike shirt, and I'm gonna crop this really short. And Carolyn said to like wear like a bralette under it so you can like see it
I think
with
it'd
the
be
mom
cute.
jeans. Fire.
As you can see, I just got all plain colors, and then I
got
got the
all,
rainbow
like,
over here.
Colorful.
So yeah, I think that was actually pretty successful. Like 5 things for $12, that's insane. And that skirt literally had a tag on it, and it's like a skirt that people would buy at like Fashion Nova or something. So that thrift haul is a success. Definitely be doing more if you want to see them.
Let
Or
us
like,
know.
we went to Salvation Army, so if you want to see us go to like Goodwill or something, or like where you want us to go, that's that. But I think this trip was 10 out of 10. We found other cute pants, but the zippers were broken.
Yeah, I found these really cute cargo pants. They fit so nice. And then I saw the zipper and it was like, it wouldn't go up.
No, it was like, and the same brand that she had in mom jeans and same thing, zipper. So whoever donated those with the zippers, piss off. That's nicer.
Like, yeah, I gotta stop saying that. Stop
Yeah.
saying fuck you. People take that offensively.
But I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. And yeah, subscribe, comment, follow our socials. Adios.
There's trouble, trouble, trouble.